Hi everyone, this is Coral from Little Steps and I welcome you to the second story of Joy Tales, Aya and the Jungle. One sunny morning, Mumba was relaxing near his den. While little Aya was with Coco since 2 days now. They had become great friends. Aya loved Coco. But Coco had to go in search of food and that is why he called Kwahu to look after Aya. Will you take care of Aya? I must get food for all before the sun sets. I will be back soon. Don't take your eyes off Aya even for a minute, said Coco. I know. Don't you worry. Aya will be fine with me, said Kwahu. While Kwahu was very alert for about 15 minutes, he gradually fell asleep and Aya kept crawling towards the jungle. Aya was a secret guest only Mumba, Coco and Kwahu knew about. No one else in the jungle knew about her yet. It was unsafe for Aya to roam around alone. There were many wild animals who could harm her. Soon Aya ventured deep into the jungle. She was unaware of the dangers around and was smiling, looking at the greenery and the colorful flowers. Her crawling made the leaves rustle. The rustling of leaves caught a wolf's attention. Soon the wolf started going in the direction of that sound. Meanwhile, Kwahu woke up to see that Aya was missing. Soon Kwahu flew out in search of Aya. He decided to fly as high as he could to get a better view. He was worried, for he did not know how long was Aya out in the jungle and in which direction he should look for her. Little Aya was enjoying nature without any fear. A group of monkeys noticed Aya and started howling. The howling of monkeys was a sign for Kwahu. He now knew where Aya was and started flying in that direction. As soon as he got closer, he saw a wolf approaching Aya from the other side. However, the wolf had not seen Aya, but the howling monkeys made him curious and he started running. Aya was right in the center. On one side was Kwahu and on the other side was the wolf. The wolf noticed Aya and was surprised to see a human cub. Today, for the first time, I am going to eat a human, thought the wolf and started running faster. But Kwahu flew faster than the wolf and started blocking his view by trying to attack on the wolf's eye. But Kwahu alone could not keep the wolf away. He got hit and lost his balance, and the wolf immediately went towards Aya. Kwahu flew up again, scared that he might lose Aya to the wolf. But then, right when the wolf was closing Aya, suddenly Mumba came to Aya's rescue and shot down the wolf. The wolf was injured and Aya was saved. Aya was safe. The wolf ran away. The monkeys climbed up on the trees. Kwahu was relieved to see Aya safe. But Mumba was angry, very angry.